Hi everyone, I am Dr. Shehbaz S here. In this video, we will learn how to perform a paired sample t-test in SPSS using a practical salary example. A paired sample t-test compares two related measurements. These may be measurements collected from the same participants before and after an intervention. So in our example, you can see we have the salaries of 15 employees before and after annual review. So we want to compare whether the review produced a statistical significant change in their salaries before review and after review. So before conducting the analysis, we need to confirm what is paired sample t-test and what are the assumptions of paired sample t-test. So paired sample t-test, salary before and after annual review. So we can ask question, did the annual review significantly change average salary of employees or not? So a paired sample t-test compares two related measurements. It means if employees had salary $52,900 before annual review and after annual review it becomes 55,566.67. So there is a hypothesis. Is the mean change different from zero or not? So paired sample t-test uses it when every observation has a meaningful partner. Like when we use paired sample t-test when before and after intervention matched participants to measurements on the same cases. Why we use evaluate change, measure intervention effects, control person to person variation. Why we don't use two unrelated groups, three or more time points, categorical outcome. So, for example, correct pairing is essential. The two values must belong to the same employee. For example, employee 1 before and after review, it has salary before review, it had $49,000 and after review it becomes 51,400 and same for employee 2 and 3. So let us do this in SPSS. Okay, so we go to analyze, click on compare means and then click on paired sample t-test. We need to reset, then we need to put salaries before review and then put salaries after review and then click on OK. So SPSS results here. Paired sample t-test. So it shows the mean salaries before annual review and the mean salaries of after review. There is sample size 15, standard deviation and the standard error. So when we come to paired sample correlation, so there is a strong correlation 0.986 which is closer to 1. So it means the correlation is very strong between two groups. The value is significance because the value is lower than the value of 0.05. So which is a significant difference between the salaries before review and after review. So paired sample t-test also you can see the most important thing is t-value and significant value. So t-value minus 15.503 is lower than minus 1.96. On the other hand, we can see that significance level is 0.000, which is lower than 0.05. So it means we reject the null hypothesis and accept the alternative hypothesis. So it means there is a significant difference between the salaries of employees before review and after review. Now we come to presentation so we can elaborate the results clearly. So our null hypothesis was the average difference between two salary measurements is zero. But alternative hypothesis shows that the average salary difference is not zero. Okay, so we can see the results here. These are the assumptions of paid sample t-test. So we can see there were 15 sample size and we get mean before annual review was 52,900 and we get mean after annual review was 55,566.67 and we can see there is an increase of 2666.67. So what can we infer from the findings? So we can report the findings in this way. A paired sample t-test showed that mean salary increased significantly from before the annual review to after the review. So we can say on the basis of t-value and significant level. So you can see here there was t-value less than minus 1.96 and the p-value, this is p-value significance level is less than 0.05. So in this way we can say that there is a significant difference of salaries of employees before annual review and after annual review. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon and share the video with other students and researchers.